Which of the following statements are true? First option is a metabolism. Metabolism is nothing but catabolism plus anabolism, or metabolism is nothing but catabolism minus anabolism. Catabolism is nothing but metabolism plus anabolism. Anabolism is nothing but metabolism or catabolism. So which one is right here? So here metabolism is a one of the life reaction. So in that one, what is present? Build up process as well as a build up energy process is present, as well as a destruction process of energy also is there. So here catabolism plus anabolism is called as a metabolism. So here first option is correct. Next one, binary fission is a reproductive process in binary fission is a one of the asexual reproduction method of the animals. So that method we have to observe in the which organisms. Means options are planarias, sponges, protozoans and cylinderatas. So binary fission we have to observe in the amoeba and paramecium. So they are belongs to the protozoas. That's why here the third option protozoans is right only. Next one, Hydra reproduced asexually by options are budding, conjugation, multiple fission, plasmotomy. So in Hydra, what type of the asexual reproduction process we have to observe? Is a budding only. So option A is correct here. Next question, identify the sterile organism. Identify the sterile organism. Sterile is nothing but the organism do not have the capacity to reproduce their young ones is called as a sterile. So identify the sterile organism here. Options are mules, worker honeybee, infertile human beings, all of above. All of the above. So sterile organism, mules. Mules is nothing but the breeding is going to happen in between of the male donkey and female horse too. The mules is going to form. So the mules in that one also sterile condition is present. The mules are sterile condition is present in the mules. Worker honeybee. Worker honeybee in that one also sterile condition is present. In the honeycomb like structure, in the honeycomb structure, three types of the honeybees are present: worker honeybees, queen honeybees, and drones honeybees. So here worker honeybees belongs to the sterile condition. So this is also right of this question. Infertile human beings. Infertile is nothing but fertility capacity is not present in the human being. That is also sterile condition also. In the three mules, worker honeybee, as well as the infertile human beings. In the three situations also we have to observe the sterile conditions only. So here option 4, all of the above is right only. Next question. In the honeybee colony, sterile individual are represented by. In a honeybee colony, sterile individual are represented by drones, queens, worker honeybees, all the above. So here in the honeybee comb, three types of the honeybees are there: drones, queen, and worker honeybees. So here infertility means sterile is nothing but infertility condition we have to observe in the worker honeybees. Drones is nothing but males. Queen is nothing but they have the capacity to reproduce offsprings. Queen. So that's why here in the two first and drones and queens also sterile condition is not there. So here in the worker honeybee sterile condition is there. So here option 3 is right. Next question. Fission of gametes is seen in asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, budding, binary fission. See here fission of gametes is nothing but that is a sexual reproduction. Fission of gametes we have to observe in the sexual reproduction. In the asexual reproduction, budding and binary fission. In the asexual reproduction we are not observe the fission of gametes, as well as in the budding also asexual reproduction method, as well as a binary fission also asexual reproduction method. So that's why here option 2 sexual reproduction is correct. Next, maintenance of steady state by organism is referred to as. Maintenance of steady state by organism is referred to as homeostasis, hemostasis, symbiosis, chemotaxis. So in the living fundamental properties of living organism, so this is one of the property. So while to maintenance of the steady of organism is referred as, we are saying as a homeostasis. In the homeostasis, what is happening, internal environment always present has a balancing condition. So that's why here option 1 is correct only. Homeostasis is correct. Next question, the theory of natural selection proposed by. The theory of natural selection proposed by Erasmus Darwin, Lamarck, Charles Darwin, Haeckel. So natural selection process, it is going to explain about the evolution process. So but anyhow natural selection process is proposed by the Charles Darwin. So that's why your option 3 is right. Next question, according to Darwin, the origin of new species is formed by. According of the Darwin, the origin of new species is possible by mutation, use and disuse, crossing over, natural selection. So Darwin is going to explain about the origin of new species with the help of the natural selection process. So here option 4 is correct. Next question, the process of aging is called. The process of aging is called senescence, death, mortality, estivation. So the aging is called, the process of aging is called senescence. So that's why here first option is correct only. Next question, which of the following statements are true? Senescence leads to mortality. Properties of tissues are not present in the constituent cells. Living beings are mortal. All of the above. In this statements, which one is correct? See here, the senescence leads to mortality. Means senescence after mortality will going to occur in the living organism. Senescence is nothing but aging. Aging after mortality means death. Aging after what is happening in the living organism, death is happening. So it is correct statement only. The properties of the tissues are not present in the constituent cells. The properties of tissues means tissue is not only working with the help of the properties of constitutions of the cells, but it is happen with the help of the what type of the components are present in the cell too. So it is also correct only. Living beings are the mortal. Mortal is nothing but death. Means in the living beings death property is present. So here 3 options also is correct. So that's why here 4th option is right. Next question. History of life on earth dates back to. History of life on earth dates back to 4.5 million years ago, 4 million years ago, 5 million years ago, 3.5 million years ago. So which one is correct here? See, first living organism on the earth was, that is a cyanobacteria. It is formed the before 3.5 billion years ago. So here option 4 is correct. Next question. Ordered complexity is seen in. Ordered complexity is seen in living world, non-living world, both, none. So order complexity is nothing but means complexity is going to form with the help of the sequence to only. Means cell to tissues, tissues to organs, organ to organ system to organism. This sequence we have to observe into the living world. It is not take place into the non-living world and both also. So that's why here first option living world is correct. Next question. Which of the following statement regarding growth are true? Growth is the characterized by the increasing in mass and number. Growth is the fundamental character of the living organism. Growth in living organism is from inside. 4th option is all of the above. So here the which option is correct? See, growth is characterized by increasing in mass and numbers. means growth means what is the growth is nothing but mass is increased as well as the number of the cells also increased. So first option correct statement. The growth is the fundamental character of the living organism. Yes, in the living organism only growth is present. Growth in the living organism is from inside. Yes, in the living organism growth is present inside of the body as well as outside of the means mass also is going to the increase. So here three option also is correct. So all of the above, the fourth option is right only. Next question. Indefinite growth is exhibited by. Indefinite growth is exhibited by plants, animals, sponges, mammals. So here indefinite growth. Indefinite growth is nothing but continuation growth is take place up to their lifetime. That is called indefinite growth. So continuation growth we have to observe into the plants only. It is not take place in the animals. So here the direct option is there here plants that is right only, but animals in that one indefinite growth is not there. Sponges, it is also one of the animals, non-chordatas. Mammals also animals only, which give the which have the capacity to give the new young ones and protecting of their young ones is called mammals. So here option 1, in that one only the indefinite growth capacity is there. So first option is correct. Next question. Build up and storage process constructive changes from an organism are collectively referred to as catabolism, metamerism, embolism, anabolism. So here in the metabolism is nothing but anabolism plus catabolism is togetherly saying as a metabolism, but in the build up of storage process of organism means energy is going to build up with the help of the which process too, that is the anabolism too. So here fourth option is right. Next question. The destructive changes in life process involving expenditure of energy are collectively referred to as catabolism, metabolism, embolism, anabolism. So here what is happening here, energy is going to the destruction means utilizing. So the utilizing of energy, the life process we are saying as a catabolism, in the turn only the destruction process is going to happen. So here first option is correct. Next question. The chief energy carries in the metabolic reactions is DNA, RNA, ATP, AMP. So metabolism, the chief energy carries in the metabolism reaction is metabolism reaction is going to happening purpose, which energy is required, that is the ATP is required. So here option 3 is correct only. Next question. Molecular structure of DNA was discovered by Watson, Crick, Mendel, both 1 and 2. So DNA, molecular structure of DNA is proposed by the Watson and Crick. Watson is a botanist, Crick is a geologist. They both did the experiment on the DNA and they give the structure of the DNA, that is a double helical structure. So here the question is molecular structure of DNA was discovered by the Watson and Crick. So here fourth, both first and second is right only. So both first and second. So here fourth option is correct only. Next question. 5 kingdom classification was proposed by Watson, Whittaker, Lamarck, Crick. So 5 kingdoms classification, in the 5 kingdoms classification, in that one what is present, Monera, Protista, Plantae, Fungi and Animalia is present. So the statement was given by, means 5 kingdom classification was given by the Whittaker. So option 2 is correct here. Next, energy transactions in the living world is governed by transactions in the living world are governed by Newton's law of the motions, thermodynamics law, gravitation law, supply and demand. So energy is a transfer from the one level to another level. So it is going to happen with the help of the which law too? That is nothing but thermodynamics law. Thermodynamic law is going to explain the energy is not going to the form, not going to the destroy. It is going to the moving from the one state to another state. So that's why your second option is correct. Next question. Which of the following statements are true? First option is living organisms show fundamental similarities. Energy transactions in living world are the governed by the law of the thermodynamics. Organism exchange energy and recycle minerals with the environment. And fourth option is all. So in these three statement, which statement is correct? So we will check. The living organisms show fundamental similarities. Yes, in the living organism, a number of the living organisms are there. Means plants, animals, and microorganisms. Some fundamental similarities are there, like cytoplasm and DNA. So the first statement is correct. Energy transactions in living world is governed by the law of thermodynamics. Yes, correct only. The second statement also is correct. The energy is transmitted from the one level to another level. It is going to explain with the help of the law of the thermodynamics. Next question: organism exchange energy and recycling minerals with environment. Yes, energy is going to the exchanging and recycling also with the help of the environment. So here three options also correct statement only. So here fourth option, the all is correct only. Next question: cell without a definite nucleus is called prokaryotic, eukaryotic, fungi, yeast. The cell without the cell without a distinct nucleus are called. That is a means cell they do not have the nucleus is called prokaryotic cell. So here first option is correct. The prokaryotic cell example is a bacteria. In the eukaryotic is nothing but in that a nucleus is present. Fungi in that one, it is also belongs to the eukaryotic. Is cell is nothing but one of the fungi. It is also eukaryotic only. Next question: the cell with a distinct nucleus is called prokaryotic, eukaryotic, virus, and bacteria. See here, the cell with a distinct nucleus is called eukaryotic. So here second option is correct. Next question: the basic unit of structural and functional of an organism is cell, neuron, nephron, sarcomere. What is the basic means structural and functional unit of living organism is called cell. So here the first option is correct. Next question: the fundamental sources of energy for all biological system. So what is the fundamental sources of energy? Moon, star, sun, comet. So which one is the basic source of energy? That is the sun only. Sun too we are getting the solar energy, after that is converted into the chemical energy. But the basic energy is nothing but we are getting from the sun too only. So here option 3 is correct. Next question: sensitivity shown by living organism to stimulus is called. Sensitivity shown by the living organism stimuli is called irritability, homeostasis, hemostasis, chemostasis. Sensitivity is nothing but giving the response of stimulus is called irritability. So here first option is right only. The stimulus that is one of the property of the living organism. So that is a sensitive is nothing giving a response of stimulus. So that is called as a irritability. So here first option is correct. Next question: the conversion of solar energy to the chemical energy is accomplished by animals, virus, plants, and fungi. So in which organism to have the capacity to convert the solar energy into the chemical energy is the option is third, plant is correct. Next question: fundamental organizing principle of life is evolution, inheritance, acclimatization, death. So fundamental organization principles of life is we have to seen into the evolution. So here the first option, what is the evolution is correct. Okay, thank you.